So I've been told that some people are boycotting Starbucks because they did something that I'm not allowed to say on these apps. And I don't know if that's true or not, but I did reverse engineer their bacon Gouda a while back after they sold me a spoiled one. So if you would like the precise recipe on how to make a bacon Gouda, stay tuned. The Starbucks bacon Gouda uses a cheese frittata. I see a lot of content creators make an omelet for the center, but that is incorrect. They use a cheese frittata. I start by cracking 4 large eggs into my bowl. Once I get all of my eggs cracked into my bowl, I get my whisk and I whisk it very well. You want it to be completely smooth, no lumps, no bumps. And then I add in some skim milk. The texture of the Starbucks frittata is extremely smooth and creamy, so I whisk it well and then I strain it to remove any unblended portions. Straining it removes unblended egg whites, and it also removes the things that I call umbilical cords. They are not umbilical cords, that's just what I call them. And then I add in some salt and pepper, Parmesan, and Monterey Jack cheese. It's important that these cheese are grated really fine so that they are incorporated well. The creamy texture of the frittata is achieved by adding this cornstarch slurry to the mixture. I mix that in well, and ideally you're going to want to use an egg pan, but I do not have one, so I use my mini cast iron skillet. I brush it down with some vegetable oil to discourage sticking, since this is not a non-stick pan. If the cheese clumps like mine did, be sure to break it down because you really want a uniform texture. Starbucks uses uncured bacon. My store didn't have any, but if you want accuracy, be sure to use uncured bacon. Cut them in half so that they fit the sandwich. I overlap them and bake them in the oven for the most authentic appearance. Trader Joe's carries both the uncured bacon and the most aesthetically similar sourdough ciabatta. I had to use what I can get delivered because my kids are home on break. Follow for more accurate reverse engineered recipes.